Hi guys, we're gonna do a Dollar General haul. It's been a minute to eat lunch, so I'm gonna apply my lip Dollar Tree lip balm. This one's my favorite. It's the one with like the little peach colored lid. I don't think they I think they do have a name to it, but like I absolutely cannot even read that bottom. And then I add like an NYX butter gloss. This is in, what color is this? Butterscotch. And I'll just add it over. I absolutely cannot add any sort of lip product to my lips if I don't apply a balm first. Like I just can't. I feel like it just makes my lips feel like they're like so dry. But yeah, I stopped in at Dollar General. I don't even know what that is. But I got some like random things. I was kind of hoping to like hit a jackpot, and this particular store is brand new, clean, gorgeous, but it just doesn't hit like some of my other Dollar Generals. So I think I need to stop going here. And I bet I'll find a lot more, but I did find a couple of really great little things. So let me just show you guys what I did pick up. I got some candles. I got this one, not candles, plural. I got just this one. I really like the packaging. I think it's beautiful. It looks really nice, like home goods, you know? This was $5 though. But for a larger one, it was $8. And it was like double the size. So I think it would have been a better buy to get the larger one. But I was like, no, it's fine. So I got this blueberry cobbler. And I thought it was the best smelling one out of all the ones they had. It does smell really good. Yeah, so it's definitely a candle for my kitchen. Then I got this little like 2-pack clear pencil case. I wish Dollar Tree sold these. Maybe they kind of, I don't think I've seen like this particular. If you have, let me know. But I wanted this for my traveler's journal. So if you're not part of my membership, definitely consider subscribing. It's linked down below. You can either do like one video a week for $5.99, or 2 videos a week for $9.99. But I junk journal over there, and I have like a traveler's journal, and I've been like setting it up with you guys over there. And I've been talking about like, how do I want to carry my stickers? And I was thinking maybe this would work for me. So when you get a 2-pack, and Dollar General had other colors. They had blue. I don't know what the other color was, but out of all of them, I liked pink the most. I was hoping they would have black, but they didn't. So I just grabbed pink. Okay, then I picked up this Yardley all-in-one micellar water. Now, I think this was $1. So that is the one thing I do like about Dollar General. Where's my receipt? I don't even know where my receipt is. But I like that they still have like a dollar section, like 1.00. Okay, not $1.25, but we won't get nasty today. So this is the like dupe to the micellar water. I forget what that brand is called. But look at this huge bottle. That is crazy. And Yardley is a brand that's also sold at Dollar Tree. They do like the soaps and stuff. So I thought that was interesting. Also in the dollar section, I found this, which I've already hauled before, but I really, really like personal care. It's like one of my favorite brands. This is a roll-on perfume oil. Actually, no, I hauled an essential oil, not the roll-on. This is an orange sunrise, and I'm like, a roll-on perfume that smells like oranges. I love that. Like, I wish there was a banana version. I feel like bananas and oranges aren't scents that you usually see in terms of like perfume. So I'm really excited. I actually want to try this right now. I want to smell like fruits or candy, basically, like bakery. Ooh. So weird to like, yo, that actually smells like luxury. It smells like Nordstrom's. Like when you walk into Nordstrom's, they have like a smell, like it smells like Nordstrom's. Okay, I love that. Then I got this roll-on perfume. This is rosemary and eucalyptus. This is gonna be really, really great for like gift giving as well. Or just like throw in your car. Aromatherapy, long-lasting, non-greasy. Greasy? I've been losing my voice, so like I'm just like my voice is like straining right now. Non-greasy. That sounds wrong too. Greasy. Greasy. Don't give a crap. Soothing and calming. But yeah, it's another little roll-on perfume with rosemary and eucalyptus. Love that. That would be a really great one for like morning time. But oranges too is like very like refreshing, wake up kind of thing. Then I found this and I was like, why is Dollar Tree not doing this when Dollar General is giving it to us for literally $1? You know what? Like, that's fine, Dollar Tree. If you want to like increase your prices, I mean, it's not fine, but like if Dollar General can give us $1 products, so can you. When that used to literally be your actual slogan, like literally everything's $1. Like you could have still left us. Okay, I'm about to get real. I'm going to tag them in this video. They follow me on Instagram, but they, you know, they could have done that. They could have just like left us some things that were still $1, like, because that is what they're known for. And that's why we would go in there, and they should have honored that in some way, form or fashion. You know what I'm saying? Just an idea for their marketing team. But these are body mists. And I think that the whole, like, obviously this part is flat, you know, and like this is rounded at the bottom, but it's got a little spray thing. Let's just see how it works. Ooh, very nice and misty. This one is a jasmine shade. Yeah, I don't like jasmine. I absolutely do not like this smell at all, personally. This is salted caramel. If this is gonna smell like Sol de Janeiro 62, I'm gonna freak out. But now this is a lovely scent. Like if you do like floral, but I don't like floral. Okay, it's not a direct dupe to 62, but it's close. It smells really, really good. Like I would throw this in my beach bag 100%. Okay, then you're not surprised, but flashcards. And look, I got them for $1. So I got 3 packs of these, and they're just like plain red, and I absolutely love that. I talk about this all the time. Like anytime I look for flashcards, like I love them all, but when they're super simple, those are the ones I usually like lean towards the most. So I got those. Then I got this pack of candy. It was also $1, I think, and I just bought it from Dollar Tree if my camera would focus. But Dollar Tree has it in a bigger box version. And so I did decide to get it in a smaller version as well, because I'm gonna junk journal with this. Because yes, I do. Welcome to my channel if you're new here. I haul flashcards 24/7 and candy boxes 24/7 to junk journal with, and it's so adorable. Let me show you. I don't know why, but I couldn't find my junk journal because I literally moved it from my office the other day, but I did find the bigger box that I got from Dollar Tree. As you can see, this one kind of like has a more like birthday. Yeah, this one's birthday cake and this one's cookies and cream. So they are slightly different. And I just like really like the light blue colors because for 4th of July, like when I junk journal for that, I just really like that color. This is just such a random pickup. I just love yellow, and seeing like the plastic cups, you know, like the solo red cups, they're the classic, and just seeing like the yellow, I thought they were really fun. So I just got it for myself for summertime. Weird, random. Okay, then we get into the good little things. I did pick up this mug. They also had like a blueberry version, but I didn't really care. They had a lot of like strawberry things out and blueberry things. So I was leaning more strawberries, and I could have picked up more, but like I'm trying to be more intentional about like what I'm picking up these days, because I can tend to get like love at first sight syndrome, and then I bring it home and then I never use it. So I'm trying to get better about that. I did get the little pot holders. They were $1, and I thought the blueberries were so freaking cute. Now I'm kind of regretting not getting the blueberry mug, because I think it would have been a cute addition to like my summer 4th of July mug collection, but oh well, I don't know. I'll go back and see if they have it. And then the very last things are these little tote bags. They kind of remind me of the size from Trader Joe's. And I was like, wait a minute. These are actually insanely good. So first we have this one with the green, and then the green trim, green at the bottom. It's a little canvas tote, and this one, they were $5. Got a little pocket right here. Such a sweet little strawberry print on it. I want to say that yes, it's red, but it kind of has like a little hint of like a hot pink in there, kind of. I don't know. But here's the inside. Nothing going on the inside, no extra pockets. It's just like one little tote bag. I think these are so fun, but really this one's the absolute winner. Like, it looks like a patch, but it's not. I would have preferred if it was a patch. I think it would have added like an element of like, you know, just dimension and layering, but it is just like a little printed version and in red, and it has a little pocket right here. And yeah, $5 too. So, and they had like, I think they had like salt and pepper shakers that were strawberries and all kinds of other things. And I'm just like, I actually already have strawberry salt and pepper shakers, so I didn't get them. But I do feel like I need to go to a different Dollar General. I feel like the ones that have been around the longest, like the older stores, they're the best ones. This new store, shockingly, I just don't think is carrying that much. But that's it. For me, this is definitely a smaller haul, but I hope you guys enjoyed. Let me know what was your favorite thing from this haul, and let me know where else you would like to see me haul from. I'm usually doing Dollar Tree. It was nice to kind of take a break and do Little Miss Dollar General. But yeah, give me some suggestions down below, and I'll see you next time. Bye.